Alright, this is part 5 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini build, and today we're going to start at step 16 and go through 17, which are to attach the lower arms front and rear. So we're going to start right here. We're going to grab these two C12 and 13, the lower arms, and I believe it's just going to be these two. And let's see how these go. So they kind of bend upwards or downwards. And that one goes there. And this one will go here like that. And we're going to slip the uprights through this hole while we're here. Like so. And do the same for this side. And while they're attached like that, we're going to grab the front bumper, which is BB1, which should be this piece right here. And let's find those screws. And the screws we're going to need is going to be in this bag right here. Alright, so we're going to need two of these, I suppose. Yep. And one BA2. Which should just be a leftover from the first bag. And so we're going to take this. Going to line it up like this. So these two stems are going to go into these holes. Alright, and then there's 3 holes here, and the 2 long ones will go on each side, like so. Okay, so we're here, and before we secure this, we're going to make sure the dog bone goes into the drive cup in there. Okay, and then have this come down like so. And then this has 2 sides. I don't know if you can see that. This side and there's this side. So make sure this is going in first. So it should look like that when you're done. Let's do the same thing on this side. Very cool. Let's move on to step 16. Looks like the first thing we're going to do for 16 is to assemble the wheelie bar. So I think it's going to be these two, plus I think it's going to be that right there. Alright, let's find 2 more BA2s. And I think that's going to be in here. And it should be here and here. So there's one. So there's the wheelie bar right there. And it's going to serve the same purpose as the front bumper, which is going to be part of the suspension arm mount. So let's grab this B12. We're also going to need these 2 arms. Okay, so we're going to line up these arms. This way like that. Okay, so we're going to hold this piece and this is going to go onto the arms like that. It's going to snap on, and then the wheelie bar will line up here like so. So let's grab these screws first, BA2s. Do not over tighten, okay? Let me just try to get one in first. All right, and then the next screws, these two screws are going to be these long ones right here, and this one. There we go. All right, and now we're going to once again put these dog bones into the drive cup. Then slip that on. And put this on like that. So, and we're done. We're done with steps 15, 16, and 17. So that is going to be it for this video. And the next one, we're going to be building the steering linkage. We'll start at step 18. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.